made my night, man. I really
Good.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
How you doing? Hey, good. How are you? Is there anything I can get for you that would make your day a little bit better, or
Just a bottle of water would be nice.
just a bottle of water? Have you eaten today, or?
Yeah, I'm trying to get enough money to get a meal tonight, so I'm pretty close. So. At the cafeteria, it's only about $10.
Okay. What's your favorite kind of food?
Thai food there and
Okay.
curry chicken.
Okay. I'm gonna go see if I can find you something, and I will come back, and hopefully I'll still find you here and try to get it for you. Can I do a yellow curry chicken to go, please? Bottled water. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. That's so considerate of you.
This is a chicken Thai curry
Oh, wow.
in a water.
Fabulous. You made my night, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I also got you a couple bucks, so next time you go to that other restaurant, I'll treat you. So,
Thank you.
no problem.
You certainly have a kind heart.